Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated steps on how to reply to a message from a group on Instagram. Whether you're keeping up with friends or collaborating with a team, knowing how to respond directly can make your conversations much clearer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages seamlessly. Next, look for the Messages icon at the top of the page. This icon typically looks like a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your conversations. Tap on it to enter your Messages section. Once you're in, it's time to find the group you want to reply to. Scroll through your list of conversations until you locate the group chat that contains the message you wish to respond to. This is where the fun begins. Now that you've found the group, locate the specific message you want to reply to. This is crucial for keeping the context of your conversation intact. Once you see the message, simply click and hold on it. A menu will pop up, and here you'll see an option that says Reply. Tap on this option, and you'll notice that the original message appears above your text box. This feature helps everyone in the group understand exactly what you're responding to. Now, it's time to express yourself. Write your message in the text box provided. Whether it's a quick comment, a question, or a detailed response, make sure it conveys what you want to say. Finally, once you're satisfied with your reply, simply click Send. Your message will be delivered along with the original message quoted above it, ensuring clarity in your conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a message in a group chat on Instagram using these straightforward steps. Remember, replying directly helps keep conversations organized and makes communication smoother for everyone involved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Instagram and other social media platforms.